How to monitor Discord mobile battery uses. Now, to monitor Discord's battery uses on mobile, use your phone's built-in power management tools. Simply tap on the app for some time and tap on the app info icon. Now scroll down and here you'll find battery option. Simply tap on battery. From here you can control the battery that Discord use. But if you want to see the battery history the app has consumed, here is just a mini bar where it is written 0% use since last fully charged. But if you want to see detailed view, simply close the application. Now if you're using on your Android, simply search for device care. And here you'll find the chart of battery. Simply tap on battery and tap on view details. Now here you'll find the complete charts and you can see which app has consumed how much and find Discord application. Here scroll down and you'll find Discord. 3 minutes on screen and it has consumed 0.2% of battery time, and a complete history will seen over here, like the total usage time, screen on, background, and how much CPU time it has consumed, the Wi-Fi packets it has consumed, and all of the details will be found here. And that's it, guys. In this way you can monitor Discord mobile battery uses on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the channel.